The Special Operations Craft Riverine, often referred to as SOCR, embodies a highly versatile and strategically agile vessel that has been meticulously engineered for a broad spectrum of operations in both riverine and nearshore environments. These advanced, high-performance crafts are primarily employed by the United States Navy to facilitate the insertion and extraction of special operations forces, particularly elite units such as the Navy SEALs, during sensitive clandestine missions that demand the utmost precision and stealth. Equipped with state-of-the-art weaponry and cutting-edge propulsion systems, SOCRs are capable of functioning effectively under a variety of challenging and often unpredictable conditions. They excel in navigating shallow waters, deftly maneuvering around dense vegetation, and withstanding adverse weather scenarios that can hinder less capable vessels. The remarkable speed and exceptional maneuverability of these crafts empower them to swiftly traverse complex waterways, enabling them to respond to dynamic operational requirements with agility. Furthermore, their advanced stealth capabilities are crucial, allowing SOCRs to approach high-value targets undetected, thereby minimizing the risk of enemy engagement and increasing the likelihood of mission success. The operational utility of the SOCR extends beyond mere transport. It plays a central role in executing a wide range of special operations missions that are vital to national security. These vessels are indispensable for reconnaissance missions, where gathering critical intelligence on enemy positions and activities is paramount. In addition to reconnaissance, SOCRs are also extensively utilized for direct action operations, which often involve engaging hostile forces in high-stakes combat situations. These operations require not only speed and agility but also the ability to deploy special operations forces effectively and safely. Moreover, the SOCR is a key asset in hostage rescue operations, where the element of surprise, rapid response, and stealth are essential. The new International Airport for Mexico City, commonly known as NAICM, was a highly ambitious undertaking designed to respond to the rapidly increasing demands for air travel in Mexico. Strategically situated in the Tecu region, this cutting-edge airport was intended to be among the largest and most sophisticated facilities in the world, boasting a design that captured global attention. The visionary architects behind this project, Norman Foster and Fernando Romero, created a striking architectural masterpiece that aimed to transform the travel experience and set a new standard for airports globally. With an emphasis on modernity and innovation, NAICM was envisioned to serve millions of passengers each year, thereby playing a crucial role in enhancing the country's transportation infrastructure. The project aimed not only to accommodate growing air traffic but also to stimulate economic growth across various sectors, particularly in tourism and international trade. By positioning Mexico City as a major global hub, the airport was expected to attract foreign investment and increase connectivity with key international destinations. Despite its ambitious goals and significant potential, the NAICM project encountered substantial controversy that ultimately hindered its progress. Concerns over environmental impact were at the forefront of the opposition, with critics highlighting the potential harm to local ecosystems and the displacement of communities. Additionally, the project's escalating costs raised questions about financial feasibility and resource allocation, further complicating the situation. Political opposition also played a significant role in the fate of the airport. Various stakeholders expressed skepticism about the project's execution, leading to debates about its necessity and long-term benefits. The culmination of these challenges ultimately led to the controversial decision to cancel the project in 2018, underscoring the complexities and difficulties inherent in executing such a large-scale infrastructure initiative. The NAICM story serves as a critical case study. Garaventa, Future Concept Urban. Introducing the Genta Future Concept Urban, an innovative vision for urban transportation that responds to the increasing demand for efficient, sustainable, and space-saving transit solutions in our cities. This forward-thinking concept imagines a network of advanced ropeway systems designed to interconnect key urban zones, significantly reducing traffic congestion while offering a green alternative to traditional public transportation methods. With a strong emphasis on seamlessly blending into the urban landscape, the Future Concept Urban is designed to provide a transportation solution that is not only fast and reliable but also exceptionally comfortable for its users. This concept is fully adaptable to the ever-evolving needs of modern urban environments, ensuring that it meets the demands of today's commuters. By leveraging the latest advancements in technology, Genta seeks to redefine what urban mobility can be, making it more accessible and sustainable for generations to come. The Genta Future Concept Urban is not just... The EHang 216 is a groundbreaking autonomous aerial vehicle, AAV, specifically engineered for urban air mobility by the Chinese company EHang. This state-of-the-art, electrically powered drone is designed to carry passengers and offers the unique capability of vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. With the ability to transport up to 2 passengers, it aims to provide a safe and efficient solution to navigating densely populated urban areas. Unlike traditional aircraft, the EHang 216 doesn't require a human pilot. It operates completely autonomously. It relies on advanced flight control systems, paired with an extensive network of sensors, to maneuver through complex environments while ensuring the utmost safety of its passengers. The compact design of the EHang 216, along with its zero-emission electric propulsion system, makes it a particularly attractive option for sustainable urban transport. It eliminates the need to contend with ground traffic by taking flight, providing... The Stanley Robotics SR07 stands as a major innovation in the field of automated parking systems, pushing the boundaries of how we approach vehicle parking in modern environments. This sophisticated system combines the latest advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, functioning without the need for human intervention to autonomously park and retrieve vehicles in even the tightest, most challenging spaces. The SR07 not only redefines traditional parking practices but also significantly enhances efficiency, offering a streamlined, tech-driven solution to one of the most common urban challenges. Unlike conventional parking garages, where drivers must physically navigate their vehicles into a designated spot, the SR07 fully automates the process, saving time, reducing stress, and maximizing the use of available space. This elimination of the human element not only speeds up the parking and retrieval process but also allows for a much denser arrangement of vehicles, enabling parking facilities to accommodate more cars within the same square footage. By taking over the task of parking and retrieving vehicles, the SR07 minimizes the margin for error and reduces the likelihood of accidents caused by human oversight. Designed to function in confined and complex spaces, the SR07 can handle a wide range of vehicle sizes, from compact cars to larger sedans and SUVs, making it highly versatile. It can precisely navigate tight corners and efficiently utilize every inch of space, something that is particularly valuable in crowded, high-traffic environments such as urban centers, airports, shopping malls, and public transport hubs. The SR07 system operates with high precision, ensuring that vehicles are parked in an optimal configuration to make the best use of space and to minimize congestion during peak hours. In addition to these practical benefits, the system is designed to reduce the environmental impact of parking facilities. Since vehicles no longer need to be driven to a specific spot by the owner, there is less need. Teledyne FLIR Rogue 1. Across the globe, the Teledyne FLIR Rogue 1 has established itself as one of the most advanced and versatile thermal imaging systems available today. Precision engineered to deliver exceptional performance in some of the most challenging and demanding environments, this cutting-edge system is designed with adaptability in mind, ensuring that it meets the diverse needs of a wide range of applications. Created by Teledyne FLIR, a company widely recognized as a leader in the field of infrared technology, the Rogue 1 is equipped with unparalleled thermal sensitivity and superb image clarity, making it an invaluable tool for both military and industrial purposes. When deployed in scenarios such as surveillance missions, critical search and rescue operations, or the continuous monitoring of vital infrastructure, the Rogue 1 consistently provides users with reliable, high-quality performance. The system is designed to function effectively under even the most extreme conditions, from harsh weather environments to situations where time and precision are critical to success. Whether on the battlefield or in industrial settings, where detecting thermal anomalies is key to preventing disasters, the Rogue 1 excels at delivering the kind of results that professionals depend on. The state-of-the-art design of the Teledyne FLIR Rogue 1 ensures seamless integration with a variety of platforms. This flexibility allows it to be easily incorporated into different operational setups, from land-based systems to aerial drones, giving users the ability to maintain real-time, highly accurate situational awareness across a range of missions. Its innovative design ensures that the system can be quickly adapted to meet the specific needs of various sectors, enhancing its appeal to both military personnel and industrial operators. In the realm of military applications, the Rogue 1 stands out as a vital asset, offering tactical advantages in surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. The precision and clarity of its thermal imaging capabilities enable soldiers to detect threats and targets that would otherwise remain hidden. RAILINK. The Railink military system stands as a cutting-edge example of how advanced technology can seamlessly integrate with modern military operations. This system is meticulously engineered to enable smooth communication and rapid data transfer across a multitude of platforms. Railink is designed to maintain secure, high-speed connections between personnel, vehicles, and command centers in real time, ensuring that information flows without delay. At its core, the system is built on an exceptionally resilient, encrypted network capable of withstanding the challenges posed by electronic warfare and cyber threats. This secure network infrastructure guarantees uninterrupted functionality, even in the most hostile and contested environments, where communication and data integrity are often targeted. The ability to operate in such environments makes Railink a critical tool for maintaining command and control under pressure. Railink's adaptability goes beyond just providing a secure connection. It's also designed to seamlessly interface with a wide range of existing military hardware and software, enhancing overall interoperability across different systems. This ability to connect and integrate with various assets increases situational awareness and boosts the operational efficiency of personnel and equipment on the battlefield. Whether it's a quick response or a complex tactical maneuver, Railink ensures that all elements of the operation are working together effectively. In addition to these capabilities, Railink's design emphasizes flexibility, allowing it to adapt to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare. Its adaptability ensures that it remains a vital component in a variety of military strategies, from conventional warfare to cyber and electronic operations. This versatility provides commanders with a decisive advantage, giving them the tools they need to stay ahead in increasingly complex and unpredictable battle scenarios. Ultimately, Railink serves as more than just a communication tool. It is a force multiplier, ensuring that military units remain. The Thunder BVTOL is a highly advanced vertical takeoff and landing drone that represents the pinnacle of modern UAV technology. Designed to address a wide spectrum of operational needs, this versatile UAV excels in applications such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and cargo delivery. Its unique ability to combine the precision and agility of a quadcopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft allows it to perform in a variety of challenging environments, whether in the heart of dense urban settings or the expanse of remote, rugged landscapes. This cutting-edge UAV is equipped with a sophisticated suite of avionics and next-generation sensors, allowing it to carry out complex, multifaceted missions with a high degree of autonomy or minimal operator supervision. The Thunder BVTOL's ability to perform in both controlled and unpredictable settings makes it an essential tool in operations where situational awareness and adaptability are key. Whether deployed for tactical reconnaissance, long-range surveillance, or cargo transport over difficult terrain, this UAV is designed to meet the diverse demands of modern operations. One of the defining features of the Thunder BVTOL is its robust and durable construction. Built to endure harsh weather conditions, it maintains stable flight performance even in strong winds, rain, or extreme temperatures. This resilience makes it suitable for missions that require long-term endurance in variable weather, ensuring reliable performance across a variety of climates and situations. Moreover, the Thunder BVTOL's modular payload system allows it to be easily customized to meet mission-specific requirements. This UAV can be equipped with a variety of payloads, such as high-resolution cameras for aerial photography, thermal and infrared sensors for nighttime or low-visibility operations, or advanced communication systems for real-time data relay. This adaptability means that the same platform can be used for different mission profiles, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for multiple aircraft types. Presenting the QIDI Vita Mobility, the groundbreaking CHY Vita Smart AR glasses. These state-of-the-art wearable devices have been meticulously designed to not only elevate your athletic performance but also to enrich your daily experiences. With their sleek, lightweight construction, the CHY Vita glasses seamlessly blend style and functionality, making them an indispensable accessory for fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. At the heart of these smart glasses is a high-resolution AR HUD, augmented reality heads-up display, that offers an impressive array of real-time data and critical information right before your eyes. Whether you're intensely tracking your heart rate, diligently monitoring calories burned, or navigating through a new route with ease, the CHY Vita glasses keep you informed and laser-focused on your objectives, allowing you to maximize your performance without any distractions. In addition to these impressive features, the CHY Vita glasses boast an intelligent light system that adapts to varying light conditions, ensuring optimal visibility in any environment. The integrated UV detection technology further enhances your outdoor experiences by providing crucial protection against harmful sun rays. This means you can enjoy your outdoor activities, be it jogging in the park, cycling along scenic routes, or hiking through nature, while feeling confident that your eyes are shielded and your comfort is prioritized. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The CHY Vita Smart AR glasses also come equipped with intuitive controls and connectivity options that allow you to sync with your favorite fitness apps and devices. This level of integration not only enriches your training regimen but also ensures you have access to a wealth of information at your fingertips. You can customize your display settings, receive notifications, and even share your fitness progress with friends or trainers, all without interrupting your flow. Available for pre-order at an appealing starting price, the CHY Vita Smart AR glasses are poised to revolutionize the way. Introducing the N256MF by Mighty Fly, an innovative cargo drone that is set to transform the logistics industry as we know it. This groundbreaking autonomous electric aircraft is engineered to meet the demanding needs of modern supply chains, making it an essential tool for businesses looking to enhance their delivery capabilities. One of the standout features of the N256MF is its impressive payload capacity, which allows it to carry up to 500 pounds of cargo. This significant capacity ensures that businesses can transport a wide variety of goods, from medical supplies to industrial equipment, efficiently and effectively. Beyond its power, the N256MF is also designed with environmental sustainability in mind, operating entirely on electric power and producing zero emissions. This commitment to eco-friendliness aligns perfectly with the growing demand for greener logistics solutions. In addition to its payload capacity and eco-conscious design, the N256MF offers remarkable operational efficiency with an extended range of 600 miles. This allows for the delivery of goods across extensive distances without the need for frequent recharging, making it an ideal choice for both urban and rural deliveries. Coupled with a maximum speed of 150 miles per hour, the N256MF ensures that packages reach their destinations quickly, meeting the expectations of today's fast-paced market. What truly sets the N256MF apart is its innovative design, which incorporates advanced technologies, including vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities. This feature allows the drone to operate in diverse environments, from crowded urban areas to remote locations, without requiring a traditional runway. As a result, businesses can enjoy flexible operational possibilities, optimizing their delivery routes and reducing logistics costs. In summary, the Mighty Fly N256MF represents a significant leap forward. Bionic Boot. At a price of $499, the Bionic Boot stands as an innovative piece of wearable technology engineered to amplify human speed and agility by closely imitating the swift, natural movement of a cheetah. Conceived by Keith Seymour, these remarkable boots are equipped with mechanical springs designed to propel the wearer forward, making it possible to achieve impressive speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. This makes them an ideal choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who are seeking a way to enhance their running experience with improved speed and efficiency. More than just a tool for rapid movement, the Bionic Boot is a thrilling leap forward in personal transportation. With a price tag of around $2,500, this advanced piece of footwear transforms the way we think about human mobility. It's not simply about moving faster, but also about redefining how we interact with the world when it comes to transportation. The boot's design has been meticulously crafted to ensure both comfort and performance.